So if you want to see my finger do it, up here you're going to click 3 times like that. It is going to change and we're going to start doing this. So the first letter of Ethereum is E. It's going to be just 1 dot. See what I did? If you want to get T, long press release. That is T. The next letter is H. You're going to tap 4 times. Watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. And that is H. The next letter is E, which is simply a dot like we did before. And that's your E there. If you want to get your R, it is tap, long press, release, tap. Watch me do it. Tap, long press, release, tap. And that's it. You have your R. The next letter is E, which is a dot. Tap. And then you have your E. Your U is tap, tap, long press, release. Tap, tap, long press, release. And that's your U. The last letter is M, which is long press, release, long press, release. Long press, release, long press, release. And that's your M. And you take your price. It is easy. Let's go.